If you own a GM vehicle from 1988 to 2006 and want to upgrade your audio system, the Barb-less Antenna Adapter Kit is designed just for you. This adapter allows you to seamlessly add a CD changer or other external devices with a built-in FM modulator without hassle. It's a straightforward solution that fits perfectly with your vehicle's antenna connector. What makes this adapter stand out is its compatibility with select GM models featuring Barb-less antenna connectors. It also works well with other Metra 60 series harnesses, offering flexibility if you plan to expand your audio setup further. No more struggling with incompatible cables or complicated installations. Customers have praised this kit for its perfect fit and reliable performance. One user shared how it worked flawlessly in a 2002 Denali, allowing quick installation of a satellite radio. The result? Clear FM signals and an enjoyable listening experience without any technical headaches. Another review highlights how the adapter improved FM signal reception when paired with an FM modulator. Instead of wrestling with an antenna cable that didn't fit, this adapter made the connection smooth and boosted the radio's performance significantly. It's a simple fix that makes a noticeable difference. Beyond compatibility and performance, the Barb-less Antenna Adapter Kit offers peace of mind. It ensures your external devices integrate cleanly with your factory system, maintaining signal quality and reducing interference. That means better sound and less frustration every time you hit the road. If you're considering upgrading your GM vehicle's audio system, this adapter is worth a look. It's an affordable, reliable way to connect additional devices without rewiring or guesswork. Plus, it saves time and effort during installation, so you can enjoy your new setup faster. When you choose the Barb-less Antenna Adapter Kit, you're getting a product that's tested and trusted by other GM owners. The positive feedback speaks for itself: better fit, better signal, and a smoother upgrade process. It's a smart addition for anyone serious about their car audio. Try it when you're ready to enhance your vehicle's entertainment system. This adapter kit is the missing link that makes adding a CD changer or FM modulator easy and effective. Experience improved connectivity and sound quality with a simple, dependable solution.